Hey, what's going on, you guys? This is that kid named Josh, and today we're going to be opening another box of Yu-Gi-Oh! Lord of the Tachyon Galaxy. We failed to pull our 3 Draco sacks last time, but this time, let's see what we can do. If I get at least a Tachyon, maybe a Constellar Sombre. First pack, we have CXE's Dark Fairy Cheer Girl as the rare. Mecha Phantom Beast Tetherwolf. Tri-Fortress Tops. Ice Beast Xeraphon. And Mecha Phantom Beast Mega Raptor Super Rare. Number 69, Heraldry Crest. Go Gigas. Brotherhood of the Fire Fist Buffalo, and nothing behind it. I don't know why I thought I had something, but I thought I saw a glimmer. Big Whale and Hysteric Sign Super Rare. Xyz's Revenge. Constellar Omega Ultra Rare. Very nice Constellar card. Battling Boxer Lead Yoke. Secret Rare Brotherhood of the Fire Fist Coyote. Brotherhood of the Fire Fist Rhino. Altitude Knight. Fairy Cheer Girl and Gear. Super rare. Brotherhood of the Fire Fist Buffalo. Brotherhood of the Fire Fist Rhino. Wheel of Prophecy. Noble Knights Walchavad Ultimate Rare. CXE's Dark Fairy Cheer Girl. Altitude Knight. Number 105, Battling Boxer Star Cestus. Super rare. Do a barrel roll rare. Battling Boxer Yugioh. Xyz's Revenge at number 107, Galaxy Eyes Tachyon Dragon Ultra Rare. Harpy's Pet Phantasmal Dragon. Big Whale and my Dolce Knights Super Rare. Alright, last pack. Blaster Dragon Ruler of Infernos for our rare. Alright, quick recap of the hollow pulls. Super rares, we have Mid Dolce Knights, number 105, Battling Boxer Cestus, Gear, Hysteric Sign, Mecha Phantom Beast Mega Raptor. Ultras, we have number 107, Galaxy Eyes Tachyon Dragon, Constellar Omega, Ultimate Rare Noble Knight Walchavad, and a very disappointing secret rare, Brotherhood of the Fire Fist Coyote. Alright guys, that is the end of this video. Be sure to rate the video, comment on the video, and subscribe if you want to see more videos similar to this one.